A stroll on this market is very cheap, because you can't spend any money. There is nothing to buy because all market stalls are closed. No, the reason is not a lockdown during a pandemic, but the fact that in Germany the stores are closed on Sundays. This has always been the case, and tourists from countries where stores are open on all days are very surprised about such a legal regulation. Carlsplatz is the oldest marketplace in Düsseldorf, where market is held on 6 days of the week. The market traders mainly offer food. Recently, gastronomic stalls have become more prevalent.